Right. Good evening, children. First of all, tell me, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please thumb up now if you can hear me. Please thumb up if you can hear me. Right, okay. Right. First of all, I will introduce me, right? I think you know if I explain, right? I am D.E.Dissanayake. I have 13 years experience in teaching, right? Today, I'll think to do the first lesson of the grade 6 syllabus. I think you have the textbook and you have go through the lesson. Can you comment me what is the first lesson you have in the textbook? I think all have the chance to comment. Have you go through the textbook? Yes. What is the first lesson?
Circles.
Yes, that is the lesson circle. So I have given some things need for the lesson. Have you collect them? Yes or no? Yes, right. Shall we start the lesson then? Right. I ask you to need a exercise book, so you have to do all the things in that exercise book, right? So the lesson is circle. Okay, first shall we know what are the things we have to learn in this lesson, right? Here first we have to learn the circular shapes. What are the circular shapes we can find in the environment? Next we have to learn how to create the circular designs using the items which we are finding in the environment, right? So first you have to note down the name of the lesson, that is circle, right? Right, items which have the circular shapes. First you can comment me what are the shapes already you have know. First one I have written coins. What are the things you have found in the environment? Circular shapes. Could you please comment me or you can speak. If you can speak in Sinhala also. ඔයාලට ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කතා කරන්න බැරි නම් words terms දන්නේ නැත්නම් පුතේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් සිංහලෙනුත් කතා කරන්න. ඔයාලා කැමති නම් ඔයාලගේ කැමරා on කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එතකොට ටීචර්ට පුළුවන් ඔයාලව බලා ගන්න. Right? Okay, we'll see then coins, right? Then compact disc or we call CD, right? Then tire, okay, amashi, right? You have switch on your camera. Thank you. Right. Then tire, you have already know what is the shape of the tire, that is circular shape. Next one, donut, you have already eaten those, no? So that is the shape in circular. Next one, ring, have you seen before? Rings are like this, all those are in circular shape. Then plate, that is also in circular shape, right? Moon, you already know, in the full moon day only moon in circular shapes, right? Right, now if you can note down these things and you can add more things to this, about 3 things you can add to this. I'll give you only 4 minutes for this. You can note down items which have the circular shape, and you have to note down these things, and you have to add another 3 things to this. Amashi, are you speaking? Right, you can unmute now. Amashi. If you can't, comment me. Puta, I can't hear you. Otherwise, you can comment me. මෙයාලට අන්මියුට් කරගන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ මේකේ. ඊළඟ ගොඩක් මොකක් හරි අහන්න ගියා. මාව අන්මියුට් කරන්නකෝ. මම කතා කරන්න. Right, if you have finished, please thumbs up now. If you have finished. Amashi, have you finished? Alia? If you have finished, please put a thumbs up. Then I can know. Matisha, have you finished, Pute?
Finish.
Matisha, no? Sorry, okay. Right. What are the things you have added? More than these things? Matisha. Matisha, have you added any more? Right, okay, shall we move then next part? Others? Right, now we are going to drawing circles using the items we can find in the environment. Now what are the things you have in circular shape in the home? You can find a plate or sauce. You know sauce, no? This is a sauce. By using this also you can draw a circle. This is coin. This is 2 rupee coin. You can have 2 sizes, right? Now I have found larger one, right? Then you can find here a glass. By using glass also you can draw a circle. So I will give the chance for you to draw circles using 3 objects, right? So write down the heading, drawing circles using items. Then you have to draw 3 circles by using 3 objects, right? I think 5 minutes enough. Right, if you have finished, you can thumbs up, then I can know you are finished, right? Finally, when you have finished the lesson, you can send the things you have done to the WhatsApp group, okay? You can make photos and send me, then I can check your exercise book. If you can't understand what I am saying in English, you can ask in Sinhala also, because I think all you have learned from 1 to grade 5 in Sinhala medium. එහෙම නේද පුතේ? ඔයාලා සිංහල medium ඉගෙන ගත්ත අය නේද ඉන්නේ? Nas, have you learned in English medium? You can comment me, Pute. I can't hear you, that's why. Okay, do the work. If you can switch on your cameras, please switch on, then I can see you. Right, Mahima, have you finished? Sorry, not Mahima. Matisha. Amashi. If you are finished, you can thumbs up. Teacher කරන වේගෙ වැඩි නම් ඕගොල්ලන්ට කමෙන්ට් කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. If I am doing the lesson so fast, you can comment me that is difficult for you. Amashi and Nas. Now, okay. Shall we move to the next part then? Amashi. Could you please comment me? Right, next part, there is an activity, this activity in your textbook also, right? This is the activity. First step they have given, using a saucer, draw the circular shape on a piece of paper. That means I ask you to bring a color A4 sheet for this. So you can draw a circle by using saucer, right? Now you can do that, right? Then what you have to do, separate the circular part, cutting along the curved line of the circular shape. Then we obtain a circular lamina. So what you have to do, you have to draw a circle by using the saucer in that A4 sheet. Then you have to cut out that. Now you can do that. I'll give you some time for that. You can quickly cut out that and you can thumbs up. I think you know how to thumbs up. අත උස්සන්න raise hand කරන්න දන්නව නේද පුතේ? Nas, then now I think you can unmute, check that. I think you can unmute now. Okay. Right, have you all cut out the circular shape now? Pute, please comment me, otherwise I can't understand what are you doing or anything I can't see. I can see only Matisha. ඔයාලා කරන එක මට පේන්නේ නැති හින්දා පුතේ අනිත් අයත් මට කමෙන්ට් කරන්න. Matisha has finished. Amashi and other Nas, I think. Right, Amashi, what happened to you? Amashi, ඔයා ඉවරද පුතේ? පුතේ අනිත් දෙන්නට ඇහෙනවා. ඔයාගේ පොඩ්ඩක් චෙක් කරගන්න ඔයා ලොග් වෙලා ඉන්න ඩිවයිස් එක. ඇහෙනවද පුතේ? අමාෂි? right. ඔයා කපා ගත්තද පුතේ circular shape එක? Nas, right, okay, I can see your circle. Amashi, do you need more time? While we are doing the activity, you can cut out that, okay? Right? Okay, look at the next step, right? Here, next one, what you have to do, fold this circular lamina as shown in the figure. I'll show the circle, okay? So that it is divided into two equal parts. So what you have to do, take out your circular lamina, right? Then you have to fold it into two equal parts like this, okay? This way you have to fold it. Fold කරනවා කියන්නේ නමන්න කියන එක, right? Okay. Then next step, with the aid of a ruler, mark the fold line using a pencil, right? I ask you to bring a ruler. So by using the ruler, you have to mark this fold line, okay? Can you see? This fold line you have to mark, okay? I think you can see, like this way. Amashi, okay. හරිද පුතේ? හරි. Right, next step. Fold the circular lamina again as before into two equal parts along a different fold lines. So now what you have to do, you have to again fold this in different fold line, right? We have fold this way, then again you can fold this another way, like this you can fold. Then unfold it and again what you have to do, you have to mark the line this way. Mark this second fold line 2 with a pencil as done previously. Mark several other such fold lines in the same manner as above. So, what you have to do next time, again you have to fold this in several times and you have to mark the lines. So, you have to have a figure finally like this way. You have to fold it several times then. I think you can understand, no? If we have finished, you have to paste that one in your exercise book as activity number 1. When you are starting your work, please put the date, okay. Then today activity number 1, then you have to paste that circle. You can send your photos also to the comment. Nas, okay. Now you can paste it in your book, okay. Am I correct pronouncing your name? No. Then how I can pronounce your name? Unmute and tell me.
Actually, my name is Alia, but I'm unable to change it.
That's why. Okay, okay. Then I'll tell Alia.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Puti, if you have finished, you can send me a photo to the comment, or otherwise you can raise your hand and show me you have finished. Matisha, have you finished? Show me your book. Or you can send me a photo. You can unmute, Pute. Right, okay, I can see. Paste that in your book, okay? Amashi. Pute, shall we move to the next part then? Here 7 is, we have done already, right? Now if you have finished, look at the last part, right? Observe that all these 4 lines pass through the same point. See whether the distance from this point to several points on the curved edge are equal to each other using a ruler. So what you have to do, now you have figure like this, right? Now you can identify all these lines go through a same point. Have you identified that? So what you have to do is take out your ruler and you have to measure the length from this point to the circle and see whether are these equal or not. Comment your answers, are those equal or not?
It's equal, teacher.
Yes, those are equal, no? Others, I think you have found out that. Right? By doing this activity, we have found out that, no? We have found out all the folded lines are go through a same point. We call this one as center of the circle, right? And the length from the center to the circle is equal. By using this activity, we identify those things, right? Right, shall we move to next activity? Right? This one I will give as a homework, okay? Do the above activity using a saucer and a coin too, right? No need of saucer or coin. You can use another two objects, right? Another two objects, and you can do this activity and you can find out all those points are all those lines are go through the same points, right? So I will give that one as homework, right? Then activity number 2, right? Again you have to draw a circle in your exercise book using a coin. I think now you have a coin. If you haven't a coin, you can use any other object to draw the circle, right? Quickly you can draw a circle now. Right? I have also drew a circle. Right? Step number 2, right? Mark and tick inside the circle. So do you know where inside the circle? Right? Here any place inside the circle. Here, any place we can identify as inside the circle. Any place you can mark as inside. Put a tick. Like this. Okay? Alia, okay. Others, if you have finished, show me. Right, next step. Place a dot on the circle. Now you have to mark a dot on the circle. Then again I'll move to the circle. On the circle means the line surrounded the circle, you have to mark a point. like this, you have to mark a point on the circle. Right? Okay, Alia, right. Amashi, have you done that? You can raise your hand, Amashi. Okay, next step. Draw a cross sign. Right? Cross sign outside the circle. Outside the circle means the things you have surface you can find outside the circle. You can put a cross sign. Okay, Alia, right. Right. This is the activity you have to do in your textbook also, right? We'll see what we have to do next. Creating circular designs, right? By using different size of circles or different objects, you have to create circular designs, right? I'll show a one, then you can create also, right? Right here, I have drew a circular pattern, right? I think you can draw nicely more than me. You can color also. If you have draw a pattern, you can color that one also.
අපිට තියන්නේ ඒක එක තැන draw කරන්නද?
නෑ මේකේ outside මේක inside on the circle.
අරක
දැන් මේ circular pattern එකක් හැදුවේ. Pute, if you have finished, you can send me a photo to the group, right? Finally, you can color that. Only the pattern you can show me. Pute, while you are doing, please listen to me, right? In next day, shall we start the lesson little bit earlier? Are you okay with 7 p.m.? Okay. Amashi? Today this lesson is somewhat easy lesson, so we can finish that early. But if we have next time, I think the lesson we have numbers, so we have to do some more times, right? So I think we can start at 7 p.m. That is easy for you, no? You can comment me in that WhatsApp group, okay? That is easy or not? Alia, have you finished, Pute? Yes, okay. Amashi? Amashi, what happened to you? If you have done, raise your hand. Ah, right, okay. Please send your works to the WhatsApp group, or otherwise you can send me private for that number. I'll note down my number, so you can WhatsApp the works what you have done today for my number. This is my number. Oh, wait. Right? So you can WhatsApp your works to the my WhatsApp number, right? This is the lesson we have to learn for the first lesson as in grade 6 book, right? That is very easy lesson, no? Easy or not? Alia? Easy, yes, very easy lesson, no? Right. I think you can understood, right? What we have done. So you can make another circular pattern as homework, okay? Nicely color it and send me, right? So we have to wind up the lesson. Before that, could you please comment me how about feel you the lesson today, right? You can send me a comment to the Zoom, not the WhatsApp group. Others, Esandi send me a comment. Others, what happened to you? Teacher වේගෙන් කරා නම් lesson එක ඔයාලට වේගෙ වැඩිද නැද්ද කියලා comment කරන්න බලන්න. Amashi. Alia, what can you say about? Okay, thank you for your comments. Okay, Amashi, right. Nice. You have colored it also, no? Comment එක photo comment එක photo ගහගන්න. Right, Pute? Right? The circle lesson is over for the today, right? So we can join with you in next time on next Monday at 7 p.m. I think that is okay for you, right? So you can send the message. We are doing the class in online, and also I am doing physical classes at Gampaha, right? So you can send the message to your friends and ask them to join with us, right? This is continuous lesson, right? So you can join, and also Sinhala medium classes also I am doing. So inform your friends, join with us physically or online, right? මම සිංහලෙනුත් පුතේ ඔයාලට මෙසේජ් එක දෙන්නම්. මම ක්ලාසස් කරනවා සිංහලෙන් ඒ වගේම ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම්. ඔයාලගේ යාළුවන්ට මෙසේජ් එක දෙන්න. ටීචර් ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් සිංහල මීඩියම් ක්ලාසස් කරනවා. ග්‍රේඩ් 6 විතරක් නෙවෙයි පුතේ. අනිත් ක්ලාස් 7 8 9 ක්ලාසස් උත් කරනවා. ඔයාලගේ යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා නම් ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න. අපිට ඔන්ලයින් හරි යාලට ෆිසිකල් ජොයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ගම් පහදී. Right? So I think wind up the lesson now. Right, I am wind up the lesson now. Is that okay? Are there any questions you have to ask? Right? Physical classes we are doing in 2 hours. Gampaha? Right. Gampaha CCP Institute we are doing the classes, right? So we are doing physical 2 hours. So you can also join 2 hours in online next time, right? Because that's why I am asked you to join in 7 p.m. So we have to do work within 2 hours. Right? Are there any questions you have to ask? I think no. So shall we leave today? Okay. Have a nice day all of you.
Okay, teacher. Bye. God bless.
Bye.
Have a nice day, madam.
Okay. Thank you.